A little olive oil. Rub it down good so the salt and pepper will stick. Then we're gonna add a generous amount of salt, now the pepper. Now this spud goes in the oven, 400 degrees, about an hour. You can just check with a fork, see when it's done. Now we go ahead and run our potatoes through a potato ricer. Something very satisfying about this. Add some sour cream. I've got some butter and some half and half here that I've heated up on the stove. Go ahead and add that. And give this a mix. Makes these really creamy. Add a little pepper, a little salt. Now we're gonna finish it off with some cheese. Mix that in real good. This is my favorite way to eat a potato. Okay, now we're just gonna fill them back up. I like the potatoes to be a little loose. Get back in all the cracks and crevices of it. Now we're gonna top these off with a little more cheese. Back in the oven. Butter basted New York strip with twice baked potato. Bite of this potato. Amazing.